If you spend a lot of time on your phone, turning on dark mode can make everything look cleaner, feel easier on the eyes, and even help your battery life a little depending on your screen. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Android in just a few simple steps. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open the Settings app on your Android phone. You can usually find it on your home screen, in your app drawer, or by pulling down the quick settings panel and tapping the gear icon. Once you're in Settings, look for the section labeled Display and Brightness. On some Android devices, this may simply be called Display, while on others it may be under a slightly different name depending on the phone brand and Android version. Go ahead and tap on Display and Brightness. This is where your screen appearance settings are usually stored, including brightness, text size, wallpaper options, and the theme mode for your device. Once the display settings open, look for the option that says Dark Mode. Now tap on Dark Mode to turn it on immediately. As soon as you do that, your phone interface should switch from the light theme to the darker theme, making menus, settings, and supported apps appear in a darker style. This change usually happens right away, so you should notice the difference instantly. If your phone has a toggle switch, just turn it on. If it has a menu instead, you may need to select dark mode from the available appearance options. In some Android phones, you might also see an option to schedule dark mode, which lets you turn it on automatically at sunset or during certain hours. That can be useful if you want your phone to switch themes by itself, without having to do it manually every day. But if your goal is just to enable it now, simply tapping dark mode once is enough. If you don't see the exact option right away, don't worry. Different Android manufacturers organize settings a little differently, so you may need to scroll slightly or use the search bar inside settings to look for dark mode, night mode, or theme. But the process is still very similar. Open Settings, go to Display and Brightness, and activate dark mode. And that's it. You've now enabled dark mode on Android. It's a quick change, but it can make a big difference in how your phone looks and feels throughout the day and night. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple Android tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.